Welcome to the world of e-commerce. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to launch your own online store, Shopify is the perfect platform to get started. In this video, we'll introduce you to Shopify, its key features, and how it can help you succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. Shopify is a versatile e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to build, manage, and expand their online stores. Founded in 2006, Shopify has grown to support over 1 million businesses across more than 175 countries. Its mission is to make commerce better for everyone, providing a user-friendly and scalable platform with robust features. Shopify offers a wide range of features designed to help you create a professional online store effortlessly. User-friendly interface. Shopify's intuitive dashboard makes it easy for beginners to set up and manage their stores. Customizable themes. Choose from a variety of free and paid themes to personalize your store's appearance to match your brand. App Store. Access thousands of apps to enhance your store's functionality, from marketing tools to inventory management. Secure and reliable. Shopify handles security updates and maintenance, ensuring your store runs smoothly. Multi-channel selling. Sell on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon from a single Shopify account. For new entrepreneurs, Shopify's ease of use is a major draw. Setting up an online store with Shopify requires no technical expertise. The platform guides you through the initial setup process, ensuring that even those new to e-commerce can get their store up and running quickly. Shopify also offers extensive customization options through its themes and apps, allowing you to create a unique and professional online store that reflects your brand. To get started, you need to create a Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and start a free trial. Enter your email address, set a password, and choose a name for your store. Shopify will then guide you through the setup process, asking questions to tailor the experience to your specific needs. Once your account is set up, you can start customizing your store. Select a theme that fits your brand style from the Shopify theme store, and use the built-in editor to modify colors, fonts, and layouts without any coding knowledge. Adding products to your store is straightforward. Just go to the products section in your dashboard and enter detailed information about each product, including title, description, price, and images. Effective inventory management is crucial for running a successful e-commerce store. Shopify's inventory system allows you to track stock levels, set up automatic alerts for low stock, and manage inventory across multiple locations. Setting up payment gateways is also simple. Choose from options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe to process customer transactions securely. Before launching your store, it's essential to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Test all buttons, links, and forms, and place a test order to experience the checkout process from a customer's perspective. Make sure your store is mobile responsive and verify that your payment gateway is set up correctly. Announce your store launch through email marketing, social media, influencer collaborations, and press releases. Drive traffic to your new store with content marketing, paid advertising, SEO optimization, and referral programs. As your business grows, you'll need to maintain and update your store regularly. Keep your product listings up to date, monitor stock levels, and optimize your website's performance. Use Shopify's analytics tools to track your store's performance, including sales reports, traffic sources, and customer insights. For a more detailed guide on getting started with Shopify, head over to linkt.com and read our article Introduction to Shopify, the ultimate guide for new e-commerce entrepreneurs. Dive deeper into the essentials of setting up your store, personalized themes, and effective marketing strategies. Don't miss out on our free guide crafted from a 60-article series. Learn how to become a Shopify pro with top-notch social media marketing skills, covering platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Twitter. Subscribe now and start your journey to Shopify success. By implementing the insights and strategies shared in this guide, you're well on your way to building a thriving Shopify store. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and enjoy the journey of entrepreneurship.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.